𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷 I've got a video here of automatic transmission, chrome and fog lights on the front, pretty cool little set of alloy wheels on it. I will just show you around the body without talking because it's too windy, and then I'll talk about the car a bit more inside. So as you can see from my little walk around there, the bodywork on this is really clean and tidy. It's only done 8,000 kilometers, that's about 5,000 miles, something like that. It's a late model. It's got four-wheel drive, air conditioning, little stereo, automatic transmission. Press the button here, that puts the full drive on. There you go, like that. And completely enclosed cabin. That's all enclosed. It's even got power windows. You can see there. So this vehicle is going to be sold in the US for off-road use only. That's means it's in competition with like an ATV type vehicle. Compared with an ATV type vehicle, you can see it's got an enclosed cabin, got air conditioning, got power windows. So it is very well spec'd in comparison. Automatic transmission, really easy to drive, four-wheel drive, and if you put some bigger mud tyres on, this car can go off-road pretty well. They are quite capable off the road. So if you're interested in something like this, contact us, have a look on our website, should I say, 𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷. There's a lot of information on there about buying this car, one like this, or being a distributor for us in the US. So have a look at the site, 𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷. There's a lot more information on there. Thank you very much for watching.